guys, so I'm back with another Trader Joe's fall haul. So let's just call this part 2. But I didn't really see that many like new items I wanted to get. I think I kind of went overboard and got everything the first go around. But I'll show you what I got today. So I got this maple sea salt kettle popcorn. I saw this online. It looks really good. Everyone gave it really good reviews. I'm excited to try it. And then I got this pumpkin brioche bread loaf because this goes pretty quickly. I feel like after a couple rounds they just sell out and they don't restock it, so I definitely took advantage. And then I think I just got one other thing. So yeah, not like a huge haul. I got the non-dairy oat beverage maple. Was looking for the pumpkin one, but my store doesn't carry it. And I also saw people mention that the tote bags were back in stock. I did not see that, so people probably flew off the shelves. But that's pretty much it. I want to get other things, like I want to get the mac and cheese bites, but that was out of stock. The pumpkin cream cheese was out of stock, so I don't know, it's kind of a scaled down Trader Joe's haul. But anyhow, I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you've been stocking up on some pumpkin goodies, and hope you have a great rest of the week.